Planning a vacation? Here's how time off can affect your Canada PR eligibility. If you're working in Canada and counting days toward your permanent residence, this is an important update you should not ignore. A lot of candidates ask one common question: if I take a vacation or time off work, will it delay my PR? Today, let's break down exactly how time off impacts your Canadian Experience Class eligibility. Straight from IRCC's rules.y. How Canadian Work Experience is counted for CEC. To qualify under the Canadian Experience Class, you need at least 1,560 hours of paid skilled work in Canada. That usually means 12 months at 30 hours per week, completed within the last 3 years before you apply. But not every day away from work automatically hurts your eligibility. Statutory holidays are safe. Here's some good news first. Statutory holidays fully count toward your Canadian work experience, even if you didn't work on those days. This includes national holidays like Canada Day, Labor Day, Christmas, and province-specific holidays as well. From IRCC's perspective, these are treated as normal paid work days. What about vacation time? IRCC generally allows a reasonable amount of vacation, and the most commonly accepted example is around 2 weeks of paid vacation in a year. If your vacation is paid and you remain authorized to work, it is usually counted toward your work experience, even if you travel outside Canada. However, an unpaid vacation does not count toward the 1,560 hour requirement. Those hours simply don't add up toward your PR eligibility. Longer vacations and extended leave. This is where candidates need to be careful. Vacations longer than 2 weeks, unpaid leave, parental leave, or extended breaks do not count toward your required work hours. Even if you're still employed on paper, IRCC only counts paid, qualifying work time. If you've taken a long break, the safest strategy is to work extra weeks beyond the minimum requirement before applying, so you're clearly eligible and not borderline. Remote work from outside Canada. This part surprises many applicants. If you work remotely from outside Canada, even for a Canadian employer, that time does not count as Canadian work experience. IRCC is very clear. To qualify under CEC, you must be physically present in Canada and part of the Canadian labour market while working. Final takeaway for PR applicants. In short paid vacations and statutory holidays are usually safe. Unpaid leave, long breaks, and working remotely from abroad can delay your PR eligibility. If you're close to meeting your CEC requirement, planning carefully and building a buffer can save you from refusal or delays. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.